welcome to Scribble Practice. I'm Wendy, and I'm so happy you're here with me to do a little scribbling, just to create for the fun of it and not worry so much about outcome, and definitely letting go of perfectionism. Today, I just had a vision of sort of a sound frequency in my head, so I'm just gonna do one of those sort of across the page. Maybe it's because I was looking at my analytics earlier. Who knows? Could be any reason, doesn't really matter. And I'm just gonna color around that with my crayons. You can use any mark making utensils you like. Supplies, and also my pages are small, but yours can be any size. It doesn't really matter. It could be large. Might be actually, this one might be quite fun with a large piece of paper. And these videos are really meant for you to pull out some supplies, anything. It could be just as simple as a pen. It doesn't have to be colorful. It could be your kids' Crayola markers. Like it really doesn't need to be anything special, although it could be. And yeah, you're just going to scribble, just to have some fun. And as I said, you're going to get a lot more out of these videos if you are actually doing the scribbling rather than just watching it. Although you never know what watching it may inspire down the road. So whatever you need, do that. I'm just encouraging you to get out your materials in case you need that, kind of encouragement. Okay, that's complete for me today. What a colorful page this turned out to be. Super fun. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Let me know how it went for you in the comments section. And if you would like to keep creating, you can do so right here. Otherwise, I will see you again tomorrow for another scribble practice. I'll be here. I hope you are too. See you then. Bye.